Guys, welcome back to the next video in the series of communication skills. In today's video, let's understand a 3-step method to improve your communication skills. In the last video, we understood what is real communication. I gave you a formula. Real communication is an art of transferring your thoughts, your ideas, your emotions and feeling to the people so that they feel the way you feel. That is real communication. Yes. So today I'll give you a 3-step method which you can follow to improve your communication skills. So let's get started. I'll tell you a story first. This happened almost 2 years ago. Me and my friend, his name is Ashok, we went for a conference to a college. Okay, it was a degree college. My friend Ashok was the chief speaker that day. He's a digital marketing expert. And he was giving a speech or a coaching on digital marketing. Okay. Now I was just accompanying him. I was not supposed to speak that day. I was sitting in the audience. Almost 100 people were there. The session was going on. He had a mic and he was wearing a blue coat, red tie, suited, booted, looking handsome, excited, pumped up. He went on the stage. He had a black color mic. He started speaking. He had a presentation obviously and he was showing that presentation and he was speaking to a group of almost 100 plus students. They're degree students, okay, and there were professors as well. Now he was speaking and slowly audience was getting demotivated, or I would say they were not showing so much interest in the way he was speaking. I was in the first row and after 10 minutes I saw people moving out of the hall. Slowly one person went, second person went, third person went, and my friend Ashok, he was least bothered. He was just taking his mic, just looking at the PPT, just speaking. He kept speaking in a boring, in a normal way. Generally, that's how people speak, isn't it? Now, it went on for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, almost 15-20 people, students, they moved out of the hall. And seeing that, I was feeling really bad. Teachers were telling, don't go, don't go, don't go. But these kids are not listening. And my friend was least bothered. But I couldn't digest that. Because as a speaker, it's your responsibility that you should engage the audience and you are not respecting the speaker by moving out, which I didn't like. So I thought, I'm a public speaking coach. It's my responsibility. I thought, let me take the stage. I requested my friend Ashok, can I take the stage for some time? I asked him. He said, okay, that's fine. Even he was very nervous seeing people going out. I came on the stage. I was wearing a black coat that day, okay? No tie, black coat. I was not supposed to speak that day, but I went on the stage. I took the mic from him, okay, and I started speaking. First thing I said, guys, please stand up. That's what I said. I said, stand up, guys. Everyone stood up. And I made them do a small activity. Doing left, turning right. Some normal activity I made them do to break the pattern, okay. And then I spoke. Then I spoke for 15 minutes. I told them my story. How I used digital marketing in my career to become the #1 public speaking coach in Hyderabad, to become India's top 3 public speaking coach, how I became using digital marketing. I explained them. That's what I did. Nothing else I did. Okay. And all the students who were moving out, they were glued at me. Asal they were looking at me. Chala enthusiastic ga, chala ishtamto chustunnaru vallandaru. Chala engage ayipoyi unnaru pillalu. నా స్టోరీ మాత్రమే చెప్తాను, నేను ఏం చెప్పట్లేదు వాళ్ళకి. నేను ఎలా పైకి వచ్చినాను, నేను ఎన్ని కష్టాలు పడినాను, నేను డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ ఎలా యూస్ చేసుకున్నాను, ఐ జస్ట్ టోల్డ్ దెమ్. అండ్ ఫైనలీ ఐ టోల్డ్ దెమ్ వాళ్ళు డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ ఎలా యూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు వాళ్ళ లైఫ్లో. ఐ జస్ట్ టోల్డ్ దెమ్ మై స్టోరీ ఫర్ అరౌండ్ 20 minutes. అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ 20 minutes ఐ సెడ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండ్ ఆల్ దిస్ 100 students, they stood up and they clapped for me. I felt really happy. I was not supposed to speak there. Still I spoke. And I got standing ovation. Now please understand, same stage, same mic, okay, same subject, same audience. What was different? Something was different. And that was the style of communication which was different, which my friend was not applying, I was applying. A 3-step method. Very simple method. You can apply it. Shall I share the method? Yes? Say yes. Yes? Okay, let me share the method. Very simple method. Step number 1. As you can see on the screen, step number 1 is called as enthusiasm. What is it? Enthusiasm, energy, Josh. Whenever you are speaking, there should be some energy in your talk. People don't like if you speak in a low body language or in low energy. People don't like it. Assuming ee video le, then for example, if I speak like this, hi guys, today I'm going to talk about public speaking. I'm going to talk about communication skills. I'll share with you 3 methods to improve communication skills. మీరు ఇష్టపడరు వీడియో చూడడానికి. Why? Because the energy is low. Okay? And there's a very important saying, enthusiasm is one of the highest paid quality on earth. If you are enthusiastic, your audience naturally become enthusiastic. ఇది అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి మీరు. అంటే మీరు హై ఎనర్జీగా ఉంటే ఆడియన్స్ కూడా హై ఎనర్జీగా ఉంటుంది. మీరు కనుక లో ఎనర్జీ ఉంటే ఆడియన్స్ లో ఎనర్జీ ఉంటుంది. అదే జరిగింది మా ఫ్రెండ్ అశోక్తో అక్కడ. సో వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టూల్. మీరు ఏ భాషలో మాట్లాడుతున్నారో అది ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాదు. అది తెలుగు అవనియండి, ఇంగ్లీష్ అవనియండి, డజంట్ మ్యాటర్. వేర్ ఎవర్ యూఆర్ టాకింగ్, you should have high energy. Now how to bring high energy in your speech? Increase the volume. Use your hands while talking. Show that passion for the speech. ఏదో నామకే వాస్తే మాట్లాడడం కాదు, ప్యాషన్ చూపించగలగాలి మీ మాటల్లో, మీ వర్డ్స్లో. దట్ ఈస్ ద స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 1, enthusiasm. Clear guys? Okay, now step number 2. Step number 2 is called as entertaining. What is it? Entertaining. మనం ఒక మ్యాథ్స్ క్లాస్లో కూర్చుంటే మనకు బోర్ అనిపిస్తుంది. అదే మనం మూవీలో కూర్చున్నాం అనుకోండి, 3 గంటలు ఎట్లా పోతే మనకు తెలియదు. అవునా? వై? బికాజ్ ఆ మూవీలో ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది. ఏముంటాయి? స్టోరీస్ ఉంటాయి, ముచ్చట్లు ఉంటాయి, మనకు అవన్నీ నచ్చుతాయి. జనాలు కావాల్సింది అదే. సో అది మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా చెప్పాలి. చెప్పకుండా జనాలు బోర్ కొట్టేస్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను చూస్తే, ఈ వీడియోలో మీరు చూస్తే నేను ఎలా స్టార్ట్ చేసినాను వీడియో. యూ సా మై స్టోరీ, ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ స్టోరీ, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ ఇన్ అ వెరీ విజువల్ వే ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ స్టోరీ. ఆ స్టోరీ వల్ల మీకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ క్రియేట్ అయింది, మీరు వీడియో విన్నారో, మీరు నేర్చుకున్నారు. దట్ ఈస్ ద స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 2, ఎంటర్టైనింగ్. మనం మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ అసలు ఉండదు. చాలా థియరిటికల్ వేలో మాట్లాడుతుంటారు చాలామంది. స్టెప్ 1, స్టెప్ 2, స్టెప్ 3, స్టెప్ 4 ఫార్మాట్లో మాట్లాడుతుంటారు. అలా నచ్చదు జనాలకి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఇంక్లూడ్ సమ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఇన్ యువర్ స్పీచ్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్పీక్ in the language of students. If you're speaking to students, if you're speaking to IT professionals, speak in their language. Use their stories which they can connect with. Okay? So second thing is entertainment. Very important thing to become a good communicator. Okay? Step number 2. Now, ఈ రెండు సరిపోవు. ఈ రెండు ఉంటే ఎంగేజ్మెంట్ వస్తుంది. నాలెడ్జ్ వచ్చేది స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 3, which is called as education. What is it? Education. Education అంటే నేర్పియడం. మా ఫ్రెండ్ అశోక్ చాలా బాగా చేస్తున్నాడు అది. కాకపోతే అదొక్కటే చేస్తే జనాలు వినరు. మళ్ళీ అది అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి మీరు ఒకవేళ ఎంతూసియాస్టిక్గా ఉండి ఎంటర్టైనింగ్గా ఉంటే అప్పుడే జనాలు ఎడ్యుకేషన్ని వింటారు. దట్ ఈస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. ఓకే, నా దట్ ఈస్ స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 3. ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఎలా ఇవ్వాలి? ఏం లేదు, పాయింట్స్ చెప్పండి అంతే. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను మీకు 3 పాయింట్స్ చెప్తున్నాను కదా, సేమ్ 3 పాయింట్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. ఐఎమ్ ఎడ్యుకేటింగ్ యూ. సో యూ ఆల్సో హ్యావ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్, that whenever you are talking, with whomever you are talking, doesn't matter. ఈ 3 steps 100% ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. మన మాట్లాడే మాటలో ఎనర్జీ ఉండాలి, ఎంతూసియాజం ఉండాలి, ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఉండాలి, అండ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఉండాలి. ఈ 3 కలిసినప్పుడే యూ బికమ్ అ గ్రేట్ కమ్యూనికేటర్. ఐ హోప్ యూ ఆల్సో ఎంజాయ్డ్ ద వీడియో బికాస్ ఐ హ్యాడ్ 3 aspects covered in this video with a purpose. I take care of it every time I talk. I request you to please take care of this wherever you talk, to whomever you talk. Yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Implement this and let me know in the comment section how it worked for you and how it helped you to become a better communicator. If you have any specific questions to ask, comment in the comment section. Like the video, share with your friends, and let them know the 3-step method of becoming a great communicator. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.